Hi, welcome. My name is María Montiel. I'm an independent artist from Venezuela based in Barcelona, Spain. I've been working with watercolors for my whole life. My background comes from graphic design, but I've specialized myself in surface and textile design. Phoenix Art's watercolor canvas is an extra fine-grained canvas primed with 3 layers of plaster, and it's special for water-based techniques. For me, discovering this canvas has been really amazing. I've been able to go and experiment with bigger scales. I've been stretching my own canvases. I've been doing things that with paper I felt that I was limited. It is also a great support for artists who work with mixed media, so it can be used with oil, wash, or tempera. It's really important. I really recommend that you do this before painting. So if you think that you will want to paint tomorrow, you have to do it in advance, okay? So you have to do it before and you have to let it dry. I will recommend for 24 hours, but at least for 12 hours. Make sure the whole surface is wet, just with water. You have different options here. I usually do in spray. I spray the whole surface with a lot of water. Or you can do it with your brush. This is very important because we take the humidity of the plaster and we activate it. So we need to do this before we start painting. You can even sketch before you start painting. I'm using a watercolor pencil. I mix the colors the same way I mix the colors with paper. I usually mix them on the surface. I create different tones and then I just mix them on whatever surface I'm working on. Once the work is finished, you have to let it dry very well. When it's dry, you can apply an acrylic varnish in spray to achieve more fixation and protect the piece. The watercolor canvas is available stretched on wooden frame, in canvas panels, loose leaf pads, and in rolls for large formats or special shapes. With Phoenix watercolor canvas, you can work watercolor from a new perspective, taking it beyond small and medium formats. Thanks for watching. You can see all the info about the watercolor canvas on the Phoenix Art website. And you can also find more about my work at mariamontielstudio.com. Bye!